friends, welcome to Cosplay Kitchen. You've landed yourself on the sidebar. Now, during my trip to the EPCOT Festival of the Arts, you told me that you wanted to learn how to make the orange slush from the France Pavilion in EPCOT. So today, with summer in full swing, we're going to be teaching you how to make this wonderfully frosty and citrusy drink. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. We're going to start out with half of a container of orange juice concentrate. You want it to be defrosted, but still cold. The colder it is, the better ice crystals you're going to form. Followed up by 2 cups of cold water. And then 4 ounces of Grand Marnier. This is going to make 4 servings, or in my case, 2 large servings. 4 ounces of Gray Goose vodka. Now I know vodka is described as odorless and flavorless, but in the end, there is a flavor difference. And then 2 ounces of Oz Rum. We're gonna mix that all together. Once it's thoroughly mixed, we're gonna pour it into our frozen core of an ice cream maker. So here it is, the orange slush. Closest thing you're gonna get to that magical vacation without having to fly all the way over to EPCOT. So thanks for joining us. I hope you had a good time. If you did, throw up a like, maybe even consider subscribing. In the meantime, don't eat yellow snow.